Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Mini Oven is probably one of the most sought-after small kitchen appliances for its amazing versatility and space-saving design, perfect for individuals, couples, or small families who want to enjoy delicious home-cooked meals without the hassle of a full-sized oven. It's a game-changer for those with limited kitchen space or who frequently crave quick and easy meals, offering a convenient and efficient way to bake, roast, toast, and even broil your favorite dishes. Number 5. Ecolution Micro Pop Popper. It's made of durable, temperature-safe glass for perfectly popped kernels every time. No oil or butter needed, hot air circulation prevents burning. Melt butter right in the lid for that gourmet touch. It's great for a healthy snack, movie night, or game day. Use the dual-function lid to measure kernels, pop in the microwave for 3 minutes or less, and enjoy. It opens up hundreds of recipe possibilities. Make homemade popcorn as a delicious and affordable alternative to pre-packaged bags. It helps you avoid unwanted chemicals, ingredients, and extra calories. Watch your popcorn pop to perfection through the clear glass. It's BPA-free, hypoallergenic, and resists wear and tear. The wide mouth and ergonomic handle make it easy to use. Use it in microwaves with turntables only. Don't use the popcorn button on your microwave. Always use fresh popcorn kernels for best results. What we like? It's a microwave popcorn popper made of glass, so you can see your popcorn popping, and it's healthier than pre-packaged bags. It's also dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. If you are looking for a healthier and more convenient way to make popcorn at home, you should consider this. Number 4. Dash Mini Maker Griddle. It's not just for pancakes. Make individual servings of eggs, cookies, or even grilled cheese. Say goodbye to multiple pots and pans. It weighs just over a pound. Perfect for small kitchens, dorms, RVs, or anyone on the go. It's the must-have kitchen gadget for any space. Simply plug it in and wait for the indicator light. It heats up in minutes. The nonstick surface ensures even cooking every time. It makes a great wedding or housewarming gift. Its small size and stylish design will look great in any kitchen. It comes with a recipe book and access to a recipe database. Plus, it's super easy to clean. What we like? This mini griddle is perfect for small kitchens or dorms. You can cook so many different things on it, and it's easy to clean. If you have a small kitchen or are looking for a versatile appliance, this is the one for you. What people say? It's compact, cute, and incredibly handy for whipping up quick individual waffles, cookies, eggs, and my personal favorite, chaffles, cheese waffles, fried cheese on the waffle iron, a keto treat. Google them. The indicator light makes it super easy to know when it's ready to go, and it heats up fast so I can start cooking almost immediately. Cleanup is a breeze, and the non-stick surface works like a charm every time. Whether it is a flat mini like these or their waffle makers or other assorted styles of mini makers, it is surprising on how well they work for toaster-sized cookery. They make a sandwich-sized product and are recommended by me as I have many different units from their mini waffle irons to their pizzelle irons with no complaints. They work and bake evenly and heat up quickly. The non-stick surface is of decent quality and cleanup is fairly easy. It's very small, easy to operate, just plug it in, no dials or buttons. It's easy to clean, just wipe it down once it cools. It didn't take long at all, and bam, a fried egg. Then I got crazy and made a tiny quesadilla with tortillas. I cut them to size, and shredded cheese and chicken. Very delicious, with toasty crispy tortillas and melted cheese. Number 3. Mueller Immersion Blender. Tired of lumpy smoothies and soups? This powerful immersion blender makes quick work of mixing, blending, and whisking, leaving you with perfectly smooth results every time. It comes with 3 easy-to-use attachments, a stainless steel blending shaft, a frother, and a whisk. You can create everything from creamy soups to fluffy whipped cream with ease. This handheld blender packs a punch. The turbo mode gives you extra power when you need it, and the ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold and use. Simply attach the desired accessory, submerge the blade, and blend. Adjust the speed as needed for perfect consistency. It's that easy. Cleanup is a breeze. The blending shaft, whisk, and frother are all dishwasher safe, saving you time and effort. What we like? This immersion blender is super powerful and has multiple attachments for different tasks. It's also easy to clean. If you need a powerful and versatile blender for various kitchen tasks, you should consider this. What people say. The Immersion blender is fantastic. I've used it for making tallow soap and balm, and it blends everything down perfectly. The blades are sharp, and the power cord is long, which adds to the convenience. The multiple speed settings are also a great feature. I purchased this Immersion blender to make blending tasks easier, particularly for refried beans, and it has exceeded my expectations. It's simple to use, with multiple speed settings that provide excellent control. The powerful motor blends ingredients smoothly and consistently, whether it's beans or homemade applesauce. What I love most is its versatility. Interchangeable attachments make it suitable for various tasks, and the fact that it's dishwasher safe makes cleanup a breeze. It's also well designed and sturdy, offering reliable performance every time. This is one of my favorite kitchen gadgets ever. It has been a true workhorse with a strong motor, and it never lets me down. I love the Immersion blender for creaming soups, mashing beans, and making smoothies in a mason jar. Besides frothing milk or making whipped cream, the frother is great for mixing all the powder-based stuff in my coffee or iced drink concoction that is stubborn about dissolving. I love that it has multiple speeds and is easy to handle, and the cord is plenty long enough. Number 2. Dash Mini Rice Cooker. It's incredibly simple to use, just add your ingredients and press the button. A delicious meal will be ready in under 20 minutes. With minimal prep time, you can easily steam rice, pasta, or vegetables. Enjoy a healthy and convenient meal. It features a convenient keep warm function with an indicator light, ensuring your food is perfectly cooked and at the ideal temperature. It's compact and portable, making it ideal for small kitchens, dorms, or even RVs. It's the perfect addition to any kitchen. It comes with everything you need: a rice paddle, measuring cup, a removable non-stick pot, a recipe book, and access to an online recipe database. Enjoy. What we like. This mini rice cooker is perfect for small spaces and it has a keep warm function. It's also super easy to use. If you are looking for a convenient way to cook rice or other grains, you should consider this. What people say. It makes the perfect amount of rice for one person in about 20 minutes. It's easy to use with fill lines inside the bowl, and it comes with a measuring cup for the rice. Once you add everything, all you have to do is push down on the switch and it'll keep it warm until you're ready to eat. Afterwards, it's super easy to wash. You just pop out the bowl and wash it in the sink. You can also make soups and stews in it. The rice comes out perfect every time. The removable non-stick pot is easy to clean, and the keep warm function is really convenient. It heats up quickly and does a great job cooking grains, oatmeal, and even small soups and stews. Number 1. Zulay Silicone Utensil Rest. Tired of messy drips on your stove and counters while cooking? This spoon rests raised edges catch spills, keeping your kitchen spotless. With 4 slots, it keeps your cooking utensils organized and within easy reach. No more searching for the right tool during busy cooking sessions. Made from food-grade silicone, it's heat-resistant and dishwasher-safe for quick and easy cleanup. It also has a non-slip base for stability. This durable and affordable utensil rest is a practical addition to any kitchen. It's also a great housewarming gift. We stand behind our product with a lifetime guarantee. If you have any issues, contact us, and we'll make it right. What we like. This silicone utensil rest is heat-resistant and has multiple slots to hold different utensils. It's also dishwasher safe. If you want to keep your countertops clean and organized while cooking, you should consider this. What people say. The rest has slots for multiple utensils, perfect for keeping spatulas, spoons, and tongs organized while cooking. The raised edges and drip pad do a great job of catching any drips and keeping my countertops clean. Made of high-quality silicone, it's heat-resistant, easy to clean, and doesn't slip around on the counter. It's compact enough to fit into a drawer when not in use, but stylish enough to leave out on the counter. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.